let's continue on this chapter 1, getting started with Scratch. Here is the number 3, number 3 part, bring game to life with code. So in last video, we did our new project created and create some the sprites and also make the sky with those gradient colors. So let's continue. So after we did all these static in the those describing of stage of the games, now let's try these 5 parts within this video. First is let's adding the flapping wings animation. So our bat now is still in the static the mode. Let's make the bat is flapping, doing some motion. Secondly, so we need to adjust the flapping speed and add the keyboard control. So if you have played those flappy bird, is when you press the space, the bird is getting higher a little bit. If you don't press any key, there's a gravity effect, and the bird is going to fall to ground, until the ground. And then this we will also need to make the pipe move from the right to the left, so that is you can control your bat. Now not bird, is a bat to across those pipe in this middle the empty area. So let's try to make those logic. And in once we have those and make your stage moving, next video we will add those collision logic, because you need to test when your sprite is touch or touch those pipe, and you are not go to those empty the area. So that is the checking is whether you are win the game or you lose the game. So and let's do this the number 3 parts all together. So I have in the our code, I have updated the chapter 1 with our last the code we stopped, and I code that is _1-2. And for this video is we are working on the 1-3. So let's go to here. So being that is I already keep this open, and let's save that to another name. So let's do that. And the first is our bat is quite big, so let's make this pipe adjust the base just a little bit. So click your sprite and switch to the custom. Then I should make this bigger. So otherwise, I think our bat is not able to cross that. So let's do this way. So leave that. And then what we will need to do first, we need to let flapping wing animate. So if we click our sprite of our bat player, you can see here we have 4 the bat picture. So in the version 2, the author mentioned that there's 2 if you should see 2 custom, one with wing up and one with wing down. But now we have wing up, wing down, wing more than up, and wing close. So that is more animation. If you click each, this code is custom, you will see this different picture showing here. And if we keep rotate this, continue to rotate them, then you may see the kind of the animation if you can feel. So what we will do is we will add the code to let bat keep changing. So switch to the code. So now there is also the different. So Originally it's a script custom sound, now it's code custom sound. So let's try to familiar with the version 3. And you can click here to make your stage smaller. So because that occupy too much of the screen, so make that smaller, then we will use this area to do the coding. The coding here is actually like this clock blocky those script. So we will use that. So we have multiple group: motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operation, variable. Variable is the new, and also my block or mo block. So data, we don't have that anymore. So pen don't have that. So if we have something of those, we have first 3, and we have the events. Then we will need to find out what's the replaced or the alternative in version 3. So let's leave on that first. So select the player. So we already select that, and click the node is code. Drag the following block. So first, this is the coming from events, which means when something, when this blue or the green flag clicked. And then is we have the another control. So that is coming from control. You can check this color. So that is very the friendly, but the color in version 2 and version 3 are different. So the control in version 3 is darker than events, but that is vice versa in the version 2. So let's also cope with that. So we need our forever block. That is one of the control, and with this return part. In the middle, we should add our look. I think that is coming from the look. Is the next custom. So putting that here. That's all. So click the green flag on the top. Let's see our bat. So you can see. So it's like here. So it's just changing from this 4 custom forever. So we don't have any other control. So it's just keep making. So if you move that, it's just like our live animal now. So click here to stop that. Then if you come to here, congratulations, you are finishing your first the script or coding control. So let's leave on that and continue. So it's too fast actually. So and we need to adjust this a little bit. So we will have another control. So from control, we gave some timing. So wait. So wait, how long? So let's go to something is wait. Wait some seconds. Do we have that now? No. Control, variable, operation, sense. It's also not here. So you can just scroll down, scroll up. So when I receive, I want to see some seconds. So up here, control the top. So here, wait 1 second. So it's not this shot, it's a seconds. So now if I click here, every change is changed to 1 second after. So now you can see our flying is getting slower. Let's click here. So it's too slow actually. So what we can do is you can change this to some faster way. So this is more natural, looks like 0.2. So I'm going to stick with 0.2. But you can adjust on which seconds, whatever. So let's just use this, the authors suggest. Click stop. Now let's add the keyboard control. So this we can just leave this. You can drag this to the anywhere, and then this so far your Flappy project just doesn't seem like a simple animation. But there's next step will transform your static project into our interactive game. The interactive means you need to let your the user to input something. So user either is use the mouse or use the keyboard. So we need to read some inputs from those devices. So we use keyboards. So what we will do is like that other Flappy game, you will tap one key to make the bat move up a bit. Let's use the space bar because it's the largest key that can easily be tapped by righties or lefties. So because actually it's myself is a left hand, so but no matter left hand or right hand is you can use the space bar easily. So click the player sprite and click the script tab. So let's do this. Click the code and drag the following. Not here. This is already here. So drag this when space key pressed. So that is another event. When something clicked, when space. You can change this to any keys on your keyboard. We use space and then change y by 50. So which means y is this coordinates value in the middle of the stage is 0, 0. So that's this xy coordinate space. Then this when from this middle point or the origin point, the upper is the positive y, lower is the negative y. So when we see when press space make the y change by positive 50, so means it's go up to 50. And then wait another certain seconds. So we have this wait. First, we can put here is what's use that is 0.05. And let's find out this change. Change is a motion. So change. Let's go to the change x, and we need to change y. So change y by 50. So let's make this. So now let's play. So when I do this, it's a 50 is getting top. So but we don't have that lower 0. So that is the we need to adjust. If you also have another key to make that by negative 50, actually all days Flappy bat is controlled by yourself. But what we will do is if you don't press anything, any key, that's the gravity will take effect because the bat will be dropped. So then we only need this one key. But this 50 looks like it's too big because our coordinate, our stage, the top is 180. So normally is let's make that maybe 10. So let's run this. So now if I make that is not so fast. So let's solve this and move to next. We add the gravity to game. So that's is another part is we need our events with this flag clicked. Then another forever. This forever means every 0.05 seconds the bat will be dropped for a little bit. So then let's do this. You can do here. So right click you can make a duplicate. Then you can use that here. And also right click duplicate, but I don't want this one duplicate. Just drag that to the left. It's back to the trash. And here, so I will do this will be 5. So you can see the bed is getting lower because we press this green. So, but if I start to see, so I will make that 5. I think is now 10 is too small. So let's make that 50. So you can see. So if I don't press, it will getting the lower. But now the 50 is make our bed is getting higher. So that is our game. So make the gravity. So these two we can put that together because that the all same the forever. But we should have 2 blocks because they don't have the sequence or the order relationship. They just need this run separately themselves. So now we have a 3 block. What we will going to do is make our bed move. In the origin game, pipe keep moving from right to the left while the player move up and down. To further distinct your game from the other floppy, you will add code which move the pipe from left to right. So maybe that's no matter. So, but let's do this in the stage. Click and drag the pipe all the way to the left. But let's make our bed here, and then from drag this, and I will drag that to the left here. And then on the stage, I think it's better is I make that longer because later on I think we can have a way to adjust the position. So let's make this code. So here first is the left part, and click the script. Ensure you choose the pipe and click the code now. And we do because that's the different sprite. So that is the you can see this bed we have 3 block of the code, but does not impact the pipe. So if you go to pipe, it's empty. So let's do this when the green flag is clicked, and we will do this go to. So go to is the 2x minus 400, 200 and y, and then this forever is go to this x increase 10. So let's back to our coordinate space. So here is the maximum left is the minus 240. So we will make our pipe go to the minus 200, and every the interval it will move to the right with 10 the unit. So that is our logic for the pipe. And then let's make this go to. So let's see, go to should be the blue one. So go to x minus 200, and at the same time is y is 0, and forever is the control here. So when you make more the Scratch code, is you may familiar with those the blocks. So change x is also the motion. So we have this change x by 10. And the pipe should zoom right past the bed. The block should look for familiar now. Can you figure out how to slow down the pipe? Slow down is just make here the 10. So let's just try to make our move. Oh, it's too fast, right? So too fast means this is too fast. Let's make this 4. This is what you are working. So, but our pipe is just go the right and then it's not back. But that's fine. So they should give you an idea about how to change the difficulty of your game, right? So when our bat is reached to the right, we should make that to the left. Then this you can see you have a forever pipe. But that is not needed for now. So let's make more things. I think is we have our ground better here. Make that lower, and then make that bigger. So let's play. So you can see here that is our current the effect of our game. So let's review what we have done. So we have add the win animation. We have adjusted this animation speed and also add our keyboard control to using the space bar to make our Flappy the bat get our higher a little bit. And if you don't press any key, well, we have the gravity effect, so the bat will be dropped. So using these two combination, you will have the control for the height of your flying the bat. And the last part is so we make our pipe move from left to right. So all these are making your the stage have a certain motion. And also you get some ideas. First, what's the difference from the version 2 to version 3 I have explained. It's until now it's still doable. And secondly is I hope is you know certain adjustment parameter, like is change X can adjust the pipe speed. And also from here, change Y is you can adjust these the bat speed up and down. So, and also using this weight, you can make those bat win for the animation in this reasonable speed. So all this, I hope you learned as also quickly is from your own the code, and then is we know how we can do in the next step. So next video we will try to coding the collision with those checking and the different to point out the different condition. Then we go to the different statement of the code. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.